Happy Friday, everyone. We finally made it to the weekend. And as we head into the weekend, we have a lot going on weather-wise. First, we have a high wind warning. That'll be the main story for today. That'll be until 4 p.m. for the northern and southern Rocky Mountain front, as well as eastern Glacier County, but everywhere else will be going on until 9 p.m. Now, sustained winds will be between 30 and 45 miles an hour. Could see gusts up to 70 miles per hour. That'll be mostly along the Rocky Mountain front. Everywhere else, possibly between 50 and 60 miles per hour. So we could see some possibilities of some down trees and some power lines. So future track here, we are seeing some widespread moisture here. Snow already in northeastern portions of the state this morning. We're going to continue to see that stick around over there, as well as some mixed precipitation and freezing rain possible. And we are going to see more moisture moving in from western Montana into central Montana. More showery weather expected this afternoon and this evening. We could also see that change into snow in the higher elevations as that cold front moves through this evening, bringing in chillier temperatures. So here we are. We have a winter storm warning in northeastern portions of the state. That'll be through Saturday, 6 a.m. for Daniels and Northern Valley County. We can see accumulations up to 4 to 8 inches there. We also have some winter weather advisories in effect in northeastern portions of the state as well. We have one for Valley, Roosevelt, Richland counties, 1 to 3 inches, up to 6 inches locally. That'll be until 6 a.m. tomorrow. And we also have a winter weather advisory until midnight tonight for Phillips County. Could see 4 inches there. Now we also do have a winter weather advisory going into effect 9 p.m. Friday through 6 a.m. Saturday along Highway 89 over Kings Hill Pass. We could see accumulations up to 7 inches there. Obviously, some slippery road conditions can be expected, and with those high winds, some blowing and drifting snow will make for poor visibilities. Today's forecast, we are seeing some milder temperatures in the 50s here in central Montana, but we will see those showers and very windy conditions. Cooler towards the northeast, we will see a mix of rain and snow there. 48 today in Jordan and 38 as a high in Glasgow. We are seeing a cold front move through later on this evening, dropping our temperatures down to the upper 20s and 30s. And like I said, we could see some mixture rain and snow showers into the overnight hours and possibly into Saturday morning. But then we're clearing out by the afternoon. Temperatures will be in the 40s once again here in central Montana, and we'll see some 30s in northeastern Montana.